Black soybean hummus, non-GMO, organic, 8 net carbs in the whole batch. Black soybean hummus. I'm using organic, non-GMO soybeans, black soybeans. They're keto friendly. There's only 1 carb in half a cup. And I prefer the dry beans and pressure cooking them. You can also buy them. There's a company called Eden. They make a canned black soybean too, organic, non-GMO. And what I do is I take 1 cup of beans and I put them into a 4-cup measuring cup and I soak them overnight in the fridge. Just fill it up with water. Then you rinse and drain it the next day, put it into a pressure cooker. And the recipe for this is going to be below in the comments section. And what I do is I put a little bit of olive oil in and a ½ teaspoon of salt, and I cook it for 20 minutes and I do a natural release on the steam. So I've already pre-done that. So we've got black soybeans. It's only 1 net carb in half a cup. That's 1 cup. And then I reserve the liquid, the bean liquid, like this. Okay. Next thing that we're going to put in is some garlic. And what I do is I take 2 cloves of garlic, 1 to 2 cloves, whatever you like, and I smash it and create a paste. I also do that method for my Caesar salad. And you create a paste and scoop it in. Works really well. So there's the garlic paste. I'll put that in. I've got a tablespoon of tahini. And that's just basically a sesame seed that's ground into a really nice paste. It's very flavorful. That's what makes this hummus so good. Next thing that I add in is some lemon juice. And you can use a wedge of lemon, about a teaspoon and a half of lemon. But I take my lemons and I put them into a little squirt bottle like this so you can get that extra little zap. So there's a teaspoon of that. And a pinch of fresh ground pepper. I do the same thing with my pepper. I put it in the bullet and I just take it into a nice fresh ground pepper powder. Some fresh Himalayan pink salt. A little bit of cumin. Just a dash. A little cayenne. Some full-fat sour cream. Put a tablespoon. And one of my new additions to my black bean hummus, soybean hummus, is I put a little bit of tablespoon of mayonnaise in. Adds a little zing to it. And a little piece of roasted red pepper. You can buy that in a jar or you can roast it yourself, and that goes in too. And some olive oil, some really good olive oil, and this is about a tablespoon. We'll just pulse that up. That's looking pretty good. I'm going to add a little bit of my liquid in. This is just a little bit of the pressure cooked liquid. There, you can see that's super creamy now. I'm going to use an old onion soup bowl. That's perfect. I've been experimenting with the black soybeans. I made my smoked baked beans. That's really yummy. You should try that. Refried beans. And I also put it in my chili like a champ recipe. I make a little well in the center like that. Then I put a little bit of olive oil in the center. A little fresh pepper. And a little more cayenne and a little bit of salt. You can adjust for taste if you want more lemon in it. I've adjusted this and I know exactly how I like it, and that's what I've done today. And a little bit of salt on the top. Now, to serve this, these are my crispy keto crackers. This is the crunchiest thing that I've had on keto in the last 2+ years. But these, I made them with a 4-cheese Italian this time. But listen to the crunch. That tastes perfect. There you go. There's my black soybean hummus, the real deal, not the stuff from the store with bad oil and high carb. Thanks for watching.